Ensuring team safety when exposed to hazardous materials is crucial for engineers working in hazardous environments. They face the task of protecting their teams from dangerous substances, which may include toxic, flammable, radioactive, or biologically active materials. Ensuring safety isn't about one device or rule. It's about a comprehensive system that starts before the job and ends after cleanup. Risk assessment is the cornerstone. It involves identifying which hazardous materials are present, how concentrated they are, and how they might affect the body, whether through inhalation, skin contact, or ingestion. Engineers must also evaluate exposure likelihood and severity under different conditions. Once risks are known, training transforms knowledge into practice. Workers must recognize signs of danger, correctly use safety gear, and act swiftly when conditions change. Hands-on drills and refresher courses are vital for building instincts and a safety-focused culture. Protective gear is essential. From gloves and goggles to full-body suits and breathing equipment, the choice depends on the hazards identified. Proper use, maintenance, and certification under safety standards like ANSI or ISO are non-negotiable. Environmental monitoring serves as a real-time safety net. Sensors and detectors must be regularly calibrated and maintained. They provide immediate data, help guide operational decisions, and support regulatory compliance. Decontamination prevents the spread of hazardous substances beyond the worksite. Procedures should include washing stations, removal of contaminated gear, and proper disposal of waste, all in line with environmental regulations. Emergency planning is the final layer. Every team member must know what to do in case of exposure, fire, or chemical spills. Drills ensure quick, confident responses. Plans must be reviewed often and adapted as needed. Engineers must integrate all these layers: risk assessment, training, gear, monitoring, decontamination, and emergency response into one cohesive strategy. Safety isn't a single task. It's a culture of responsibility and ongoing improvement. By doing this, engineers not only protect lives, but uphold the highest standards of professionalism and care.